Okay, boys and girls, the camera's on, so I can see you all the way around. Why don't you give me a wave? Everybody, give me a wave, please. So this is from Holiday Primary School. How was I say holiday? Hollywood Primary School. Okay, now, could you do something special for me? There's a friend of mine in hospital just over there, so I'd like you to give a really big countdown for him, okay? So you can hear us from his hospital bed. His name's Mr. Fogarty. Could you say, good morning, Mr. Fogarty? Good
morning, Mr. Fogarty!
Could you say to him, get well soon?
Get well soon!
From Hollywood Primary School. Okay, here we go, Mr. Fogarty. So, we're going to first of all put it on the launch pad. Okay. That's it. Okay. Now who would you say would be the person? Ah, Simone. Okay. You know the drill. The ignition's already on, that's the red button. On launch, you keep your finger down on that, whatever happens. Okay?
Do I hold it up?
No, just on the ground will do. Okay, I'll come over here.
So I just hold it? I just hold it?
Yep. Okay, boys and girls. All right, okay, are we ready? And 1, 2, 3.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch!
No good? Okay. Hang on a second. The red button on? Is the red light on? Okay. Just need a loose connection, that's all. Try it again. Just turn the light, that off. Maybe this time. Hang on. Oh, just get over here in my position. All right, boys and girls.
Take 2.
Okay, hang on. So, right. So, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch!
Sometimes it gets warm.
Does that mean to happen? Yes, what?
Okay, stop there. Okay, so this is the rocket, and the nose cone comes off. and the parachute comes out.
Wow.
So it's meant to do that. So the parachute's there.
Can it be reused?
Okay, so will we take this back to Peter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do it again.
Yep.
Can it be reused?
William, do you want to carry it gently?
Is it just straight now?
Carry that one.
Or we
And I'll
like
carry.
it
Do you want to
again?
carry both ones? Just gently. That might be a bit warm still. Can you feel it warm?
Is it?
There's
How
Peter.
do we go?
Yeah, that was.
Ouch.
Yeah, ouch.
Thank
Okay.
you, William.
Thanks, Will.
Thank you, William.
Can you use that?
Let's have a look. Did you turn it off? No?
No, I didn't.
Okay.